newest teammate just pulled a backlog item, wrote the code, opened the pull request, and kicked off the tests before you finished your coffee. It's an AI agent, and on a growing number of Scrum teams, it's doing the work that used to define the job. So, here's the only question that matters for your career. When that agent joins your team, are you its peer or are you its manager? Because the answer decides whether you're still in the room in 3 years. Let's start with what's actually happening, because this isn't a prediction anymore. Anthropic's 2026 Agentic Coding Trends Report describes engineering shifting from writing code to supervising the agents that write it. Roughly 8 in 10 developers now use AI coding agents in their workflow. On some teams, half the developers pulling tickets aren't people. Now here's the part nobody put on the recruiting poster. When you let agents loose, output explodes, and value does not automatically follow. Teams running high AI adoption merged nearly twice as many pull requests. Sounds like a win, but review time climbed more than 90%. The pull requests got bigger and bug counts went up. The work didn't disappear, it moved. The bottleneck is no longer writing the code, it's reviewing it, trusting it, and being accountable for it. And trust is the tell. Even as agent usage climbed toward 80%, developers' trust in AI accuracy dropped from 40% down to 29%. Read that again. Usage up, trust down. That gap between what the agent produces and what a human can actually stand behind, that gap is your job now. So, let's answer the question, peer or manager? If you treat the agent as a peer, you compete with it on output. You try to write more stories, close more tickets, move faster than a machine that never sleeps. You will lose that race. That's the junior move, proving you're busy next to the bot. If you treat the agent as something you manage, everything changes. You own the system, it runs inside. You set the human in the loop thresholds. You own the review gate that keeps unmerged work from stacking up and killing your sprint. You catch the hallucinated requirement before it ships. Scrum.org is already naming this role, the agent orchestrator, the person who configures, monitors, and coaches the AI, and who removes impediments, whether they're human or algorithmic. That is the senior move. And notice, it's not a coding skill, it's a leadership skill. Judgment, accountability, governance, knowing what good looks like when the machine can't tell. Those don't come from the agent, they come from you. Here's the uncomfortable mirror for a lot of senior professionals. You're probably already doing this. You already review the AI's output. You already catch what it misses. You already decide what's safe to ship. You're managing the agent. You're just still describing yourself on your resume as a facilitator who runs ceremonies. That's activity language for a manager's job. So, before the next agent joins your team, get clear on which side of that line you're standing on, because the market already is. If you're a Scrum Master, product owner, or Agile coach already managing the machine, but still selling yourself as someone who runs meetings, that's the exact gap I help close. Ready to reposition the experience you already have? Book a free 15-minute discovery call. The link is in the description. Your next teammate is an agent. Make sure the hiring manager knows you're the one running it. I'll see you in the next one.